Welcome back. Today, we're going to be diving into a couple advanced features within the Workflow Secret dashboards. If you don't yet have access, but you finished all of the tutorials down to this moment, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and we'd be more than happy to ensure that your account has access. Otherwise, let's go ahead, pull up those Workflow Secret dashboards, and we're going to dive in it together. All right. Let's take a look at present mode within the Workflow Secret dashboards. Present mode is perfect for when you want to showcase one or multiple of your dashboards on a secondary screen or on a monitor within your office so that you or your team can better understand the data that is being visualized in that dashboard. To access present mode, all you need to do is navigate to the top right-hand side, clicking on the 3 stacked dots and navigating to the bottom dropdown. From here, your dashboard will go full screen and you'll have access still to all of the features within the dashboard to give you those better understandings of all of the data that's being represented. The other cool thing about present mode is hovering on the bottom left-hand side, you're going to notice there's now a menu that is giving you access to any of your given dashboards, as well as an advanced every feature that allows you to advance the dashboard like a slideshow every 10, 15, 30 seconds, or every minute. Once you've selected how frequently you would like your dashboard to advance, all you have to do is hit the play button and the dashboard will start to do the rest for you. If you decide that you do not want your dashboards to advance and you would rather have a single dashboard showcased, all you have to do is hit the pause button, navigate your cursor off of it, and you're ready to go. We hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. If you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to help get you squared away. But we will see you very shortly.